In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a straight vertical line in Google Docs. This is a helpful trick when you're trying to design a document layout or simply want to divide sections with a clean line. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Google Docs. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. You can do this by navigating to the Google Docs homepage and entering your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll see a dashboard with all your documents. Now, we're going to start by creating a new document. On the upper left side of your screen, you'll notice a blank option. Click on it, and this will open up a fresh new document for you to work with. It's always nice to start with a clean slate when trying something new. With your new document open, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Insert. This option is your gateway to adding all kinds of elements to your document, from images and tables to charts and, of course, drawings. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears after clicking Insert, select Drawing. A second menu will appear off to the side. Here, choose New. This action will open a drawing window where you can create various graphical elements to include in your document. In this drawing window, look for the Line tool, typically represented by a diagonal line icon. Click on it to activate the tool. Now comes the fun part. Drawing your line. To ensure the line is straight and perfectly vertical, you'll need to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click and drag your mouse or trackpad from top to bottom or bottom to top, depending on your preference. This combination of actions keeps the line straight and without any unwanted angles. Once you're satisfied with the line, it's time to save and close the drawing. In the upper right corner of the drawing window, you'll find the Save and Close button. Click on it to import your newly drawn line into your main document. Now you should see the line appear in your Google Doc. It might not be exactly where you want it just yet, so to finalize your layout, click and hold the mouse button on the line to drag it to your desired location within the document. You could place it at the left margin, the center, or wherever it suits your document's design. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method for adding a straight vertical line in Google Docs. Feel free to experiment with different line styles and placements to fit your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to enhance your document creation skills.